my loves, welcome back to another video. Okay, so you guys, please bear with me if you hear any background noise. That is my kids. They don't have any school. I know all parents, y'all know what it is. So anyway, I'm just taking the two brow pomades. One is by Ruby Kiss and one is by Nika K New York, and I'm going to use the darkest one is the Nika K, so I'm going to use that on the end of my brows, and the top brow is the lightest brow pomade, and I'm going to use that for the front of my brows. I'm only doing one brow on camera, and yeah. So the palettes I'm using is the Matte Book, and I'm going to be using the crayon case box of crayons palette. And out of the Matte Book, I'm going to take the pink and the orange, and I'm just going to do an elongated cut crease. I haven't did that in a while. I have some more looks coming, like halos or spotlight eyeshadow looks. I haven't did that in a while. And also, I know y'all been asking me for more nail tutorials. I have been giving my nails a break. I promise y'all I got y'all on that. When I do my next set, I'm going to record and I'm going to upload that video as well. I haven't figured out how I wanted my nails, but I do have this poly gel that I'm going to use. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just blending and packing that shade down, because like I said, I'm doing an elongated cut crease. And I'm also going to take the orange out of there and I'm going to place it on top of the fuchsia to give me a nice pretty transition, because we're rocking orange here. Okay, orange here. Orange is the new black. So yeah, I'm just going to blend those colors out. I'm going to go back and forth from the fuchsia to the orange, and then I'm going to cut my crease. I forgot what concealer I used, y'all. I think it was the e.l.f. concealer, if I'm not mistaken, that I used to cut my crease with. But if you guys want to know how to cut your crease, go and check out some of my other videos. I will leave the link down there in the description box so you can check that out, get that crease cut perfected, you know.